Hi, welcome to Chemistry Online. So, in this class, we are going to discuss 7th A group elements. In previous class, we finished 6th A group elements. In this class, we are going to discuss 7th A group elements. 7th A are 17th group elements. 17th group elements are 7th A group elements. Seventeenth group is IUPAC name. 7th A is group number. So here, what are the elements present and what is their chemical reactivity, and what are the elements we are going to prepare, we are going to discuss in this class. Okay, what are the elements present means so fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine elements are present in this group. Okay, so you have to know serial number, next name of atom, okay, then atomic number, next EC means electronic configuration. See here, then first serial number, next name of the atom, next atomic number, then electronic configuration we are going to discuss. See first one, serial number 1, name of the atom is fluorine. Name of the atom is fluorine, symbol F, atomic number 9. Electronic configuration, by using unit gases we may write electron configuration helium 2s2 2p5, helium 2s2 2p5, 2s2 2p5. Then second one, fluorine, after that chlorine. Chlorine symbol Cl, atomic number 17. Unit gas electronic means condensed electron configuration neon, then 3s2 3p5, 10 plus 7 17. Then here next third one, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Okay, symbol B small r. So atomic number 35. Electronic configuration neon, after that helium, neon, argon. So electrons enters into 3d 10, 4s2 4p5, 3d 10, 4s2 and 4p5. Okay, then fourth one, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, then iodine means say symbol capital I, atomic number 53. Electronic configuration argon, after that krypton, then 4d10, okay, then 4d10, electrons enters into 4p5, after that 4d10, 5s2, 4d10, 5s2 and 5p5. Then last one, iodine astatine. astatine, and symbol A small t, atomic number 85, electronic configuration xenon, electron centers into 4f14, 4f14, next 5d, 10, 6s2, 6p5, 6s2, 6p5. So it is the valency shell electronic configuration. Then, so what is the valency shell electronic configuration means? So it is the valency shell electronic configuration 6s2, 5s2, 3s2, 2s2. So here general electronic configuration is 5, so ns2 np5, ns2 np5. So in s how many electrons? 2. Okay, in p how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the general electronic configuration. Next you have to know oxidation states. Next you have to know oxidation states. And you have to know oxidation states. See here, how many electrons in the valence shell? 7. By gaining 1 gets a energy gas electronic configuration. So -1 is the first oxidation state and common oxidation state. Then losing 1 +1, and losing 3 +3, and losing 5 +5, and losing 7 +7. Okay, it is a ground state, first excited state, second excited state, third excited state. Okay, it is in ground state, first, second, third excited states. It is in ground state. It is a first, it is a second, it is a third excited state. Okay, ES means excited states. So these are the oxidation states. Next, one more point here you have to know. These elements are also called halogens. And these elements are also called halogens. Halogens. See here, why these are called halogens means, so why these are called, these elements are also called halogens. Why these are called halogens means, the meaning of halo is, the meaning of halo is sea water. Sea water. Okay, gens. Gens means producing. Gens means producing. So these are sea water producing elements. Sea water producing elements. Sea water producing elements means sea water containing salts having these elements. In sea water some salts are present. These salts produced by these elements. Okay, sea water containing salts having these elements. That's why these are called halogens. Okay, then you have to know electronegativity value. Electronegativity value decreases. It having high electronegativity value, it having low electronegativity value. Okay, atomic radius decreases, ionization potential decreases. See here, it is a gas, it is a gas, it is a liquid, it is a solid, it is a solid. Okay, liquid, liquid, gas, gas, liquid, solid, it is a radioactive element. Astatine is a radioactive element. Okay, see here, next you have to know chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. Okay, so first one, all 7th A group elements reacts with hydrogen, can give corresponding hydrides, can give corresponding hydrides. Okay, so M plus H2 gives rise to MH. This is a 2, if you take 2, balanced. Next you have to take M equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay, okay, so here M reacts with H2, HF, HCl, HBr, HI and astatine does not react. So like this type of halides, hydrohalides can be formed. HF is more stable. Okay, HF is more stable. Okay, next HI is more acidic. HI is more acidic. Next, stability of these hydrides decreases. Stability of these hydrides decreases. Stability of these hydrides decreases. Which is more stable? It is more stable. Which is less stable? It is less stable. So which is more acidic? It is more acidic. Which is less acidic? It is less acidic. Okay, so which is reducing character increases. So it is a strong reducing character increases. Reducing character increases. Okay, then this is a introduction about these hydrides. So HF is a liquid, remaining all are HF is a liquid, remaining all are gases. HF is a liquid, remaining all are gases. Remaining all are gases. It is a liquid. So low boiling point having HCl. HCl having low boiling point. HCl have low boiling point. Okay, so this is characteristics of hydrides. M, these elements reacts with H2, MH, H of HCl, HBr, HI, hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Which is more stable? It is more stable, it is less stable, so stability decreases. It is more acidic, it is less acidic, so acidic nature increases, stability decreases, reducing character increases. It is a highly reducing agent. So HF is a liquid, remaining all are gases, then HCl have low boiling point. So this is briefly about chemical reactivity. Then can I erase? Then reacts with the halogens. Halogen reacts with the halogen. See here, hydrates, after that interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds. Halogen reacts with halogen, which gives interhalogen compounds. Okay, halogen X2 plus X2 gives rise to 2XX, 2X X dash. So X2 X dash X2 gives rise to 2X X dash. See, X X dash 3, X X dash 5, X X dash 7 type of halogens can be formed. This is called mono interhalogen. It is a tri interhalogen. It is a penta interhalogen. It is a hepta interhalogen. It is formed in ground state. It is formed in first excited state. It is formed in second excited state. It is formed in third excited state. It is formed in third excited state. For example, ClF, for example, ClF3, BrF3, ClF5, BrF5, IF7, IF7, ClF, BrF and ICl, IBr, all these are examples. ICl, IBr, all these are examples. ClF3, BrF3, ICl3, IBr3, like this. Okay. So here all these are examples for interhalogen compounds. Okay. So it is in ground state, first excited state, second excited state, third excited state. These are nothing but interhalogen compounds. See here, next X equal to low electronegativity value, low electronegativity value, which is a central atom, which is a central atom. Okay. Next X dash equal to high electronegativity value having atom, so which is act as a bonding atom, which is act as a bonding atom, which is act as a bonding atom. Okay. Now we are going to discuss two structures of IF7, BRF5, and IF7. Okay. Then next structures. Structures of, so first one BRF5. So bromine is the central atom and fluorine fluorine. Okay. Then so it is the structure of this molecule. It is a lone pair. It is a lone pair. It is a lone pair. See here, bromine is the central atom. Cm means central atom. See here, which undergoes S, P1, P2, P3, D1, D2. S, P3, D2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization. Lone pairs 1, bond pairs 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So here shape of the molecule is square pyramidal. Okay, shape of the molecule is a square pyramidal. So this is briefly about PRFI structure. Then second one, IF7 structure. IF7 structure. So name of this molecule is iodoheptafluoride. Iodoheptafluoride. Central atom is iodine. So bonding atoms are okay. So this is IF7 structure. IF7 structure. So this is the way. Here fluorine, 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 fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here iodine is the central atom. Next sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 sp1 p2 p3 d1 d2 d3 hybridization. Okay. So lone pairs 0, bond pairs 7, shape equal to pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. So this is a structure of this molecule. Pentagonal, it is one pyramid and it is one pyramid. Okay. So this is very important structures, these two. Four marks. This is briefly introduction of 7th A group elements. Okay. So these interhalogen compounds, mono interhalogen compound, trihalogen interhalogen compound, penta interhalogen compound, hepta interhalogen compounds. See, so shape of the molecule. This is briefly today's class.